Hi, BentoBrocke, showing off today's bento on Willie Mosconi. On this day in 1954, he sunk 526 shots in a row. Unbelievable. A world's record that has never been touched or never been challenged. So today's bento is honoring Willie. Willie Mosconi won 15 world championships in a row and was one of the first members elected to the Billiard Congress Hall of Fame in 1968. Hello, this is BentoBrocke. This is the first in a long series of bento YouTube videos that we're going to make. And a lot of you ask, what's a bento? Well, bento box is what the Japanese used to serve their meals in. This one comes with its own set of chopsticks. But you would open up the bento box, and this one has multiple segments. You can put a rice ball, your meat, your sweets, vegetables, and other items in here. So for today's bento, we're going to use just a two-segmented one. And this one's going to have a salad and then a sandwich. But to make bentos, you need lots of fun toys. So I have the Yoshi peeler and a Yoshi knife. I have some cutouts that I use for cheese or for meats. I have letters and numbers. And I also have a large selection of other items to cut out with. Other molds, other small condiment cups, other peelers, little fun things. And my most favorite is this little bear that you put your salad dressing in. It's cute and makes it taste better. Okay, as we stated before, we have some shredded lettuce. This just from an iceberg head I just cut up. You can buy the bagged lettuce, bag salad mix, whatever you prefer. But for today, that's going to look like our pool table. So we're going to go ahead and make a sandwich. And this one is going to be corned beef. So we have our flatbread, whole grain flatbread, because it's tasty and healthy. So I'm just going to put a little dollop of mustard on it. I like it on both sides, so I'll just go ahead and put it on like that and pat it on both sides. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be tasty. And then a couple of slices of corned beef. Put those in there. I like to kind of tuck the corners in a little bit so it doesn't stick out. There you go. There, that's a tasty sandwich there. Just go and get that in. Let me clean that off a little bit. All right, now we're going to go ahead and make this into a modified #1 ball that we use. So for this, I have some cheddar cheese and a little round cutter. And I just go ahead, cut that out, put that right in the middle. And then just to be fancy, I have some white cheddar. And I'll have a cutout with a little star rosette. Pool balls don't really have that in there, but that's okay. That looks good. Now here's where we're going to get a little fancy. Now we have our Yoshi cutter. And we're going to just go ahead and cut a slice off. And then from here, with our Yoshi knife, I'm just going to make a nice little sliver. Right out of the middle. And right about there. Look at that. #1. We made a #1 ball. Okay, we don't need those any longer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and work on our billiard table side. And here we have our cucumber. And we're just going to give it a quick little shave here. take a small slice. And I know it's a little hard to see, but that's going to be our cue ball. So that'll be perfect. Let me just put this into my waste bag. Okay, and now to finish our pool, our billiard table. Billiard table needs some pockets, so I have some black olives. I will cut in half. And to simulate all of the pockets, I'll go ahead and put those there with the, make it show. Nope, one slipped down, that's okay. These aren't always so perfect, but they're always pretty. And there we are. Actually, since the one fell down, let's just go ahead and build that up so it looks better from the top. There we are. There's our billiard holes. Let's go and get some green olives out, and they'll just simulate some other balls on the table. Just scatter some of those. Just kind of haphazard, so it looks like we're playing there. Now they're not all the same size, but stop. Okay, and here we have our bento. We have the number 1 ball, which is a nice lovely sandwich, and our pool table. So we have some billiard balls scattered around, a cue ball, and our pockets, haphazardly placed, but they're in the corners. So I hope you enjoyed today's bento. Thank you very much.